Hi there, Griggs Arnold, rendering specialist at Autodesk. I just want to quickly go over how to render the Animal Logic USD Lab scene using HtoA, Arnold in Houdini. So if you just scroll down, there's links to the lab scene and the texture pack here. I'll put a link in the description. So once you've downloaded that, go into Houdini and start off by going to the Solaris stage here. Just close these and then create a file, and under file just jump to the USD Lab folder and want to open the entry.usda file. Come out, we can see the laboratory scene here. So it's a bit dark, so let's just start off by creating a light and increase the exposure to something like 10, and we'll change it to a cylinder, like a fluorescent light. And maybe scale it up in the X. Let's just move it up a bit. Move it up here. Just increase the uniform scale a bit. Maybe 20. Okay. And then let's jump into Arnold. So in the viewport, we've got the Hydra option for Arnold rendering. Now to change the render options in the viewport, just press D to bring up the display options. Make sure you've got show options for Arnold set, and we can increase the number of AA samples. So now it's improving the overall quality. We can also override the number of light samples, so under set create we can change samples to something like 4. Should improve any noise in the shadows. Okay, so we've got a choice of cameras that come with the USD scene. So we could jump through these cameras, like so. Let's create a new camera. So just create a camera here. Camera 1, and let's choose camera 1. Oops. Then just like that. Something like that. And then we can create a material override. So let's create a material library, and inside that create an Arnold material builder, and then inside that create a standard surface shader and connect the shader to the surface and just give it a different base color, like so. And then we need to assign the geometry, and the scene graph tree, you just drag the object you want to assign to the geometry path. There's a setup for an Arnold render. So now we're getting a different standard, we're getting the standard surface on the disk, just got a different color. And then for the final render, we can always create a render settings where we can override the camera resolution, set our camera A settings. Let's create a USD render up. Change the render delegate to Arnold and render template. Before I do that, I'm just going to change the diagnostics and override the subdivision, so ignore subdivision. And then we've got the full scene rendered in Arnold. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.